my, okay. Okay, this is the stock. Oh, and the flutter of the supercharger. Oh my god. Okay, if I ever get a naked bike, I'm getting this bike. Done. You guys enjoyed the Street Fighter V4 review, so this time we're doing the ZH2. I mentioned in that video that I wanted to ride one of these. If I ever get a naked bike, it will be either this one or the Street Fighter. I've never been on this one. I like the Street Fighter. Let's see how this one's going to be. Thank you. He reached out and told me that I can ride his bike. Do you want to plug your Instagram or anything like that? Okay. So yeah, we're trying a ZH2. Oh my god. This definitely, it feels very different than the Street Fighter for sure. Oh, it's in gear? And it's regular shifting, right? Not GP? Yeah, I need to switch the Aprilia to GP right away. It's confusing the hell out of me. Yeah, I think it's a little taller, sits taller up too. Oh, that H2 logo. As soon as I hear the whistle, I'm gonna choose my favorite. Like, come on, I have an H2. It's not like... I'm a little biased. I do have a V4 too, but I don't know.
I'm sure it's going to be crazier for you. I'm double your weight probably, so...
Yeah, true.
And I think it's fucking wild.
It's already warmed up, so... Oh. Oh yeah, that flutter. We will respect the bike. It has 495 miles on it. He just got it. Oh my god, look at the beautiful sunset too. I wish some of my friends were here so we can do the whole racing thing again with this bike. Woo! Oh my, okay. Okay, this is the stock. Oh, and the flutter of the supercharger. Do you guys hear this? I really hope you do. But like, I'm done. I'm sorry, Street Fighter. I'm so sorry. I honestly thought it was gonna be closer, but I'm already sold just from this. Literally just for the flutter. I can't not. I just literally can't. I haven't changed any of his settings. It has a fuel gauge too and everything. Yeah, why does the Street Fighter not have a fuel gauge? That's weird. All right, literally just from this little experience, it's definitely a little heavier. Oh, that's second gear. Not GP shift. It ain't GP shift. All right, first, let's go. Over revving. Not used to the clutch. Oh my god. Okay, if I ever get a naked bike, I'm getting this bike. Done. I'm literally, what, took it 2 streets down. Like, I kid you not. 2 minutes on this bike and I'm sold on it. I'm so sorry, Ducati. You built an amazing bike, but Kawasaki, there's something about them. There's just something about them. Like they with their H2 lineup, they just created history, you know what I mean? I mean, not just, but like these bikes are just amazing. I can't like get over it. I'm gonna keep the helmet, the visor open a little bit just so you guys can hear the flutter or anything like that. Maybe a little more. Oh, and it's right there, unlike the H2. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This actually leans pretty well too. Oh my, this isn't, oh, okay, this is so much. It just, okay, even though, I'm gonna be honest, even though I don't think I was going as fast as the V4, the supercharger, the torque that you get from it, makes you feel like you're going so much faster. It is so like awesome. It's a complete different kind of like screen tube from the H2, so I'm not sure. I don't want to mess with the settings and change everything, so we're just gonna keep it as is. And also, like, he's a subscriber and I really appreciate him reaching out and letting me ride his ZH2, because this is life-changing. Now I know for sure if I ever get a naked bike, it's gonna be a ZH2. This is it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I hope you guys are hearing the flutter, because oh my god. Whoa, whoa, that supercharger. Oh, she wants to come up. She wants to come up. She's like, don't tempt me with a good time. The only thing about it is that red line's actually somewhat low. Like, or maybe it's because of the braking period, because it's still not at, like, I think the braking period, I'm not sure what they are on the H2, but I think it's around 600 miles or 500. Most bikes are around that, but the rev limiter is way shorter than the Street Fighter, which I think is definitely a disadvantage. Oh, she wheelie's nice. I know I said I'm not going to go into a lot, okay? Maybe I'm going to just a little bit, because this is so much fun. Bro, it has power, like, throughout, wherever you're riding. This bike just got power. Oh, that supercharged engine is a little, like, whoever came up with that idea and made that engine is a genius. I know, Kawasaki, you guys are amazing. Like, I don't care what you guys say, it's the best Japanese brand, just by creating the H2 and the ZH2. That flutter, I almost don't want to talk, and just so I can listen to that flutter. This is like, it's a very, just like the H2, it's super sensitive. I just did that so you guys can hear the flutter and everything. Alright, just like the last video, we mobbed it down here. Let's do it again on this bike. Alright, I want to be almost at a complete stop. Okay, we're good. Oh, the downshift with the flutter. That's the nice thing about not having a loud exhaust, is that you can hear the supercharger way better. And if he gets like an air filter on it, oh boy, air filter and a tune with literally just like a not as loud exhaust, it'll sound so nice. Come on, why are the lights red? I wanna go. This is fun. Oh, and I just hit 500 miles. Congrats, man. Thank you for letting me hit the 500-mile range on your bike. It's comfortable, it's fast. Just the feel you get from that throttle with the supercharged engine is just insane. Like, no offense to the Ducati, but like, this is something, you know? Woo! And I actually think it's kind of smoother. The bike itself is pretty smooth. Feels very like rugged. It feels amazing. I can throw it around. I don't know what his wheelie control settings are on, but the bike just wants to come up. It feels like it's amazing to wheelie. But yeah, I'm done. I already decided before I even go out of here, but I'm done. If I ever get a naked bike, this is it, the ZH2 by far. Let's test it out, see how it wheelies. Yeah, definitely if I change the wheelie control setting and stuff like that. Let's see if I can switch it from here. Okay, I really don't want to mess with his stuff, so we're just gonna keep it as is. It gives you the range of how many miles you have with your gas. That's epic too. Yeah, the bike definitely is set up at a higher wheel control setting, so the bike doesn't want to come up. And as I said, the bike is still brand new and it's to subscribers, it's not a friend, so I really don't want to like be wheeling it and doing all this type of crazy stuff on it. But I literally took it to the first like 2 lights down. I was like, I'm done. I like this better than the Street Fighter. Bro, the way that supercharger feels, like aggressive right away, you know what I mean? Such an amazing bike. For sure, if I get a naked bike, it'll be this one. For sure. I could argue this. I think the Street Fighter looks a little cooler. Yeah, they could have done a better job. That's all I'm gonna say. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't stand out like the Street Fighter, like with double wings and the V4 face, you know? Nothing sticks out that it's an H2. So I used to be the same thing. I wanted the all gray frame with the H2. And when I saw the green one in person, I was like, damn, because you know, the nice black, it's clean and nice, but I want something to stick out to, you know? It's an H2. Yeah, so looks in compared to the Street Fighter, I think the Street Fighter gets it, but how it's not heavy whatsoever. Like, I was flicking around.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Just when you lean it over, right at the beginning.
Yeah.
It's nimble.
Yeah, it feels so nice. The bike wanted to come up. I didn't mess with your settings because it didn't want to, you know, it's okay. I didn't want to change your settings. I looked like through them and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to touch anything. I'm not going to change it. Yeah, the wheel control is definitely set on a higher setting because the bike barely, like as soon as it comes up, it comes back down. Throttle is, it's just sensitive like the H2, which is what there's no dead spots. The bike just goes, which is so nice. It's flickable. Yeah, I definitely, like, as soon as I took it out, I had more fun. When I look at it, I'm like, the Street Fighter. But then when I get on it and ride it, this one for sure. Yeah, and the Flutter, it's an amazing bike. Congrats again, and thank you so much for letting me ride it. Thank you for coming to the shop here. You're welcome to come hang out. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This, in my opinion, this is the bike that I would go for. See, if I gave the Street Fighter a 9 out of 10, I give this one a 10 out of 10 in the naked. I know I haven't tried many naked bikes, but now we've tried Kawasaki's best naked bike, we've tried Ducati's best naked bike. Now I guess I have to try out the Tuono, which you guys have been asking about, and the Super Duke, the KTM or something like that. So yeah, after I try those, I guess I'll rank them all, but so far this is in the lead. Ducati's right behind it. I did not like the Hyper Motard. I tried that yesterday. Wasn't a big fan of that. But yeah, thanks again. If you guys enjoyed this and you want me to do more reviews and stuff like that, actually hit me up on Instagram. Let me know if you have a bike, if these bikes are a cool bike that you want me to ride and review, and I'll do that. So thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and support, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.